So today we're going to be looking at an electric pump that's really good for pumping water, kind of like out of this 3-gallon tank or even a 5-gallon that has this kind of throat. It makes it very convenient, especially if you don't want to buy water bottles and you refill these. But the one we got here is pretty nice looking. It kind of looks like a faucet. See here, it says the Smart Electric Pump. Well, we do have some specs here. So we do get a charging cable. It's about 1.5 feet long. It is micro USB. We also have this rubbery hose that connects to the pump. And this is how you're going to suck the water up from the bottle. And then we got the pump itself. Quality life. There's a little LED light there, a power button, and a 600 ml button. So that's like a specific amount of water. Some more information and where we're going to connect the hose right in the middle there. So we're just going to grab either end, slide it onto there, and put the whole hose in the bottle. And that's what it kind of looks like. So the hose is a little long for this one because it's a 3-gallon, but you know, it still reaches the very bottom and sits there pretty nicely. And if it is kind of tangled, all you gotta do is turn this and the hose will kind of turn inside and move itself. But yeah, it's very simple to use. This is where the water comes out. I like this faucet look. It looks a bit nicer than usual. And by the way, you want to charge this thing before you use it, like top it off completely full. And when you do charge it, there's a little light there that blinks red. So I got this glass cup, and to operate it, you just simply push the power button once and it starts pumping. And there we go. And to turn it off, you just click it again and it comes right off. So yeah, you guys can see those few seconds and it pumps really quick. Now the 600 ml button is actually a little more than this cup can hold. I guess I can pour it here in this larger bowl. So let's go ahead and click that. And it's gonna fill this up. And there it goes, so it automatically stops. So if you need this much water, 600 milliliters. But yeah, very handy to pump water out of a water can. And you know, this is a 3-gallon, but 5-gallon works just as well. You know, if you don't want to keep buying water bottles, this is a great way to refill your larger gallon bottles and then use them with this pump.